Here's a data validation approach that may provide unsatisfactory results. Brad Williams, Excel Prime. What am I talking about? We'll just look at our example over here on the left. In the previous tutorial, we were using that AB negative, and we were forcing it to be an exact. Here, we're saying allow only if data contains AB with data validation. Exactly what we're doing. Here is the data validation input. We have a skew, but look what it does. You can pass this test by putting anything in front or back or ahead, behind, before or after AB. Is that what you want? If so, then this test is fine. On the other hand, if you need a strict input, go back to the previous tutorial and take a look. How this works, we're just saying ISNUMBER, find AB 65. And if there's a number in here, so be it. This is pretty loosey-goosey incorporated. You can just go data validation, data validation, input this data. And this is just using ISNUMBER, find AB 65. Over here, if you need it, read it. There's also an ISERROR. We're not going to play around with this. I'm not sure how practical this example is, but you need to know that if you're attempting to restrict input, this might not be the answer. Brad Williams, Excel Prime.